Yo, we are Lucky Pro. Man Luo.
You get it?
The big man himself.
Beat up.
Big up.
Big up on yourself. This was the King herself, King
man.
Dancer.
TikTok managers.
A big man t-shirt.
Right,
You get it?
Like a
Yo,
proper
man,
Yeah,
yo, man, yo, man, yo, man.
We love this.
Yeah.
We love the
Yeah,
producer.
with Bago G around. in
Yes,
the
I'm around,
house,
I'm around.
you
Yeah,
know,
me know myself, me.
Big time.
Yeah.
Fully representing RPP.
I'm around with some
21.
little crank
You
here.
got it?
Making a difference.
You understand that shit, man?
Yo.
Big up.
We're making a difference here at
Big
Lucky Pro.
time.
You get?
The world got to change, you know, for the next generation.
Man.
Yeah, man.
People in the house.
Big up.
We have
Big up.
RPP
You
herself here.
Fully.
Fully presenting.
Roslyn Pitia promotion.
Wow. Yeah, man. That's it.
Lawia Nyira herself.
Love, man.
Mabibona.
This
Yeah,
is
get
the
Little heads.
Lauya Nyira song hitmaker.
Oh,
And producer.
okay.
You
Get
guys
it?
get it?
Yeah,
Straight,
I
eh?
thought you said the Lawia Nyira. But good.
Lauya
Yeah,
Nyira
man.
producer and the
Yeah.
singer and the studio owner.
You
Everything.
get it? He is everything.
He's a man with many
Yes,
talents.
And
they
that
used to
one.
call me I'm a production.
A
I'm a
dancer.
production, yeah.
That one is for the big man them. For the great minds.
Yeah.
You're dead.